everyone, my name is Sidney F.C.R. and welcome to another review video. In today's video I'm going to show this new Manchester United away jersey of this season 2022-2023. It's the 10th version and I've customized with the Premier League badge as well as the No Room for Racism badge and Cristiano Ronaldo number 7 on the back. I got this one from Kkgoolb.com. Check the link in the description down below who that seller is. Before we check it out, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I want videos on the way. So now, let's check this one out.
Should I take it or leave it out? It got me thinking now, and I'm stuck in this loop again. It got me thinking now, should I take it or leave it out? What would happen if I talk to you? Got a feeling that I get a blue.
That's this new Manchester United away jersey. Let me know what you guys think. Personally, I really like this one. I think it's a really great design, especially that sleeve cuffs and the color with that design in it makes it really cool. It's a really clean jersey. And also that badge, the retro badge, is really cool as well. In the next clip I'll show you how this jersey fits me. Once again, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to not miss any review video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.